Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. A quick and easy guide to replacing your neutral safety switch. When it comes to your vehicle's safety and performance, the neutral safety switch plays a critical role. Without this component functioning properly, starting your car can become a challenge and even pose a safety risk. In this video, we will delve into the importance of the neutral safety switch and guide you through the process of replacing it. Whether you're experiencing issues with starting your car in park or neutral, or noticing strange behaviors when trying to crank the engine, a faulty neutral safety switch could be the culprit. Understanding how this part works and being able to identify signs of wear and tear is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's reliability. Replacing a neutral safety switch might seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance and tools, you can tackle this job confidently. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps involved in replacing the neutral safety switch, empowering you to take on this repair and ensure your vehicle operates smoothly and safely. What is a neutral safety switch? A neutral safety switch, often referred to as a park neutral position switch, PNP, is a crucial component in modern vehicles that plays a significant role in ensuring safety and proper functionality. This switch is located on the transmission shift lever or the clutch pedal in manual vehicles. Let's delve into its definition and functionality, as well as its importance in maintaining vehicle safety. Definition and functionality. The neutral safety switch is a device that prevents the engine from starting when the transmission is in any gear other than park or neutral. It acts as a safety mechanism to avoid accidental vehicle movement during engine ignition. Essentially, the switch sends a signal to the engine control unit, ECU, to allow the engine to start only when the transmission is in the designated safe position. In automatic vehicles, the neutral safety switch ensures that the vehicle can only start when the gear shift is in either park or neutral. On the other hand, in manual vehicles, this switch is engaged when the clutch pedal is fully depressed, allowing the engine to start. This simple yet vital component adds an extra layer of safety to the vehicle's operation. Importance in vehicle safety. The presence of a functioning neutral safety switch is paramount for overall vehicle safety. By preventing the engine from starting unless the transmission is in park or neutral, the switch minimizes the risk of unintentional movement, especially when starting the vehicle. This is particularly crucial in preventing accidents in parking lots, driveways, or any situation where a stationary vehicle needs to remain stationary. Moreover, the neutral safety switch also serves to protect the engine and transmission from potential damage that could result from starting the vehicle in gear. By ensuring that the transmission is in a safe position before the engine can start, the switch contributes to the longevity and proper functioning of these critical components of the vehicle. In essence, the neutral safety switch is a small yet vital part of a vehicle's safety system, providing an additional safeguard to prevent accidents and protect both the driver and the vehicle itself. Regular maintenance and prompt replacement of a faulty switch are essential to ensure continued safety and smooth operation of the vehicle. Signs of a faulty neutral safety switch. When your vehicle starts exhibiting strange behaviors, it could be a sign of a faulty neutral safety switch. Understanding the common symptoms and diagnostic procedures can help you address the issue promptly and ensure your safety on the road. Common symptoms to watch for. 1. Starting issues. Difficulty starting the vehicle or having to jiggle the gear shift to engage the starter may indicate a problem with the neutral safety switch. 2. Unintended movement. If the car starts in gear without the clutch pedal depressed or the key turned, this could be a dangerous symptom of a malfunctioning switch. 3. Dashboard warnings. Keep an eye out for warning lights on the dashboard, such as the gear indicator not matching the actual gear or the vehicle failing to start due to an incorrect gear reading. Diagnostic procedures. 1. Visual inspection. Begin by inspecting the neutral safety switch for any visible damage, wear, or loose connections. Look for signs of corrosion or dirt that could affect its functionality. 2. Multimeter testing. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of the switch when the gear shift is in park or neutral. A lack of continuity in these positions indicates a faulty switch that needs replacement. 3. Voltage testing. Check the voltage readings at the neutral safety switch terminals to ensure proper electrical connections. Fluctuating or inconsistent voltage could point to underlying issues. 4. Transmission linkage examination. Inspect the transmission linkage to see if it aligns correctly with the neutral safety switch. Misalignment or mechanical obstructions could cause faulty switch behavior. By recognizing these signs and following the diagnostic procedures, you can identify and resolve neutral safety switch issues before they escalate, ensuring a smoother driving experience and maintaining your vehicle's safety standards. Replacing a neutral safety switch. When it comes to replacing a neutral safety switch in your vehicle, you want to ensure the process is done correctly to maintain safety and functionality. Below, we outline the tools required, the step-by-step replacement process, and the safety precautions you should consider before starting the replacement. Tools required. Before you begin replacing the neutral safety switch, gather the necessary tools to make the process smoother. You will typically need tools such as a socket wrench set, screwdrivers, pliers, jack stands, and a new neutral safety switch specific to your vehicle's make and model. Thanks for watching part 1 of our guide to replacing your neutral safety switch. Be sure to check out part 2 for the complete installation process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.